Good morning, everybody. We are back into this now. It's a Friday. On Fridays.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Oh, I was talking to myself. How many people are in a cell on GJ when the candles are still raining? You know, man. Candles are still ranging. I mean, if this is the area you're looking for a cell, break off this area would make sense, you know. But you want candles to flip first, because I was about to take the sell too. I was about to take the sell on this 30-minute candle that was going bearish, but then it closed bullish, so I waited and the next candle went up. So I guess the previous one closed bearish, but you know, it needs some more confirmation, man.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Freaky Fridays.
Yes, Freaky Friday.
Yeah, Freaky Friday.
Freaky Friday. Everything is ranging on Friday. Let's be safe. Let's try not to fuck up today. Let's try not to lose all the gains from this week. That's the objective for today. See how GB Cat is doing. Ooh,
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
hey, good morning.
Morning, Coach.
Hey, Alex.
Good morning, FX ladies.
Good morning, Alex.
Hey, these pound pairs are looking like they want to drop, but it kind of looks like
Definitely Wickfield, hey, Coach, today.
yeah, exactly, but it just seems too fishy.
Especially with, I don't know, Coach, it's not, because, man, there's not going to be, like, the whole news with the Brexit that came out today, that there's no deal, that shit's bearish, man. But you never know, because if 80% of retail traders go down, you know the market's going to go up.
They said there's no deal?
Yeah, so far, no deal today. The latest, here, I'll send it to you on the chat.
Cannot take no deal off the table. Oh, he cannot take no deal off the table.
Yes.
Which means he's like, there's no way there's going to be no deal. He says there's going to be a fucking deal.
Watch, Coach.
He cannot take no deal off the table. Like, the no deal cannot be taken off the table. If there's no deal...
Coach, I think you said that like 8 times already. Thanks.
Yeah, but I'm trying to explain it to myself. I'm explaining it to myself, you know? That's how I explain things to myself. Because if there's a no deal
Look,
means...
Coach, I sent it on the chat. I sent the chat.
But no deal means it's...
Coach, I don't know. I didn't hear you. What was it? No deal? Say it again.
Jeremy Corbyn has refused to commit to Boris Johnson's proposal for a general... He has refused to look at Boris Johnson's proposal. He's like, bro, get the fuck out of here.
That's right.
We'll know tomorrow what the extension will be, and I can answer, yeah, okay. So there's nothing so far.
Nope.
It's like, let's hold the pound in a headlock right now.
I think it's been being held in a headlock for like years now.
Yeah.
I'm like, I really want like this thing to finish so I can like trade GCAT nice without all this drama, dude.
Yeah.
The moves my moves are small from 20 to 30, you know? That's all you can catch for now with all this uncertainty.
Yeah, I mean, this is gonna drop. I mean,
yeah, I was thinking Wickfield.
Yeah, like it's there's so much room there's more confirmations for it to go down than to go up.
Just so you know, 167,500 is a daily level.
Do I want to risk today?
Why not, Coach? It's
Yes!
Friday.
Yeah, I got in a small sell here on GJ.
Oh.
Yeah, do it. I'm in.
Nice.
Simon called it.
Let's go.
You naughty boy.
Yeah, I'm targeting like 139.10, rakeel.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I got buys on gold.
So you got the close of those candles.
Yeah, buys on gold is good because it's held support at like 1504.
Yes, holding it since last hour.
Yeah. Just pick one.
Buys, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, the
Yes.
30 minute is making higher highs, higher lows. There's clean candles at least till 1506.
That's my target.
Oh, John F. Kennedy, it's too early for you. Oh, what's this chart? Sells below this area. Nice. These are conservative sells. Very good.
Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you, mate? Yeah, at first I was looking at, when I woke up, I was looking at this candle here when it was bearish, but it closed bullish, so I waited. So I guess now it makes sense because this one closed bearish and this one is still open, but it closes in 20 minutes. But if the high remains below this high and if it stays bearish, there's a high chance the next one is going to continue down.
Any GJ sales, Roger?
What did you say?
Are you in GJ sales?
No, it looks like I'm in USD ruble buys. Yeah, I'm in GJ sales.
Yeah, it looks more bearish than bullish.
Hey, Todd Capital Group. We're doing good. Ooh, someone's been in GJ sales for a long time. GJ, 5 minute. What is this? Entry, runner, break even. Oh, nice. When did this happen? Was this an Asian session? I'm lost.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How are you?
Good. Hey, Alex, what did you send me? What's this? Is this in the past? Did this already happen? You sent me an old chart?
Good morning, Papuri.
Good morning, Papuri. Dímelo, Papuri. Yeah, too many Alexes. I'm one Alex. And we got Alex. And we got Alex A. And Alex D. And Alex T.
Gold is scary now. Well, it depends on how you look at gold. If you look at gold from a consolidation point of view, then you're like, okay, yeah, it's ranging. If you look at gold that, okay, the 30-minute candles are ending bullish and there's a high chance for it to continue till 1506.50, then you're like, okay, perfect. If you're looking at it gold from a selling perspective, then there's no sells right now. Raja, please check sell stop. This one? Yeah, it looks good. Looks good, but when it gets activated, I would say to maybe bring down your stop loss above a candle, you know. Like this 15-minute candle is about to close. If it closes a good bearish candle like this or lower, I'd stay in the trade. But if it closes where it is right now or a little higher, I'll exit the trade.
What made you take that trade?
Because the 30-minute is kind of like, you know, creating an arch to go down. I mean, it looks more bearish than bullish. Look at that. It created a support over here, you know, in Asian, and then this kind of broke it. So this bullish candle, this looks like a retest candle for this one to continue down because it's creating this wick at the top.
Well, it does look like a lower low here.
Yeah, exactly. So if you look at it in this way, that we had support, price went down, up, now it's trying to come down.
Yeah.
So for it to continue going down, the candles, especially on the 15-minute, should continue closing bearish.
I agree.
Because that in turn will send the 30-minute candle bearish, and that's going to send the 1-hour candle bearish. And
Rakeel, wouldn't you wait for the 15-minute to close below that support?
yeah, I could, but I'm just playing off of the probability,
Okay.
right? Because now,
Yeah, but I mean, go ahead, sorry.
yeah, because now I'm thinking that, okay, the 30-minute candle made a top wick, so maybe this is the highest point of this current 30-minute candle. You know, so if this stays bearish, then there's a higher chance it can continue moving down. You know, so instead of having a, yeah, right, so instead of having it here, then I'll have a larger stop loss, right? So stop matters too. Because if I'm going to take a trade, my stop in my head is above this candle right here. So even if I enter down here or down here, my stop is going to stay the same.
And if you wait for the next 50-minute to close, and you put your stop above the 50-minute,
No,
the
30
next
minutes.
50-minute candle?
30 minutes.
Okay.
It depends how they close, you know. So it all depends how they close. But like right now, looking at this, I don't feel that oh,
I'm out.
I closed. I'm gonna wait for it to come down.
Yeah, man. The best thing is that you know how when to close, man.
Oh yeah.
Small losses.
Yeah, I'm not gonna sit around and
Yeah, and wait and hope and pray.
it's Friday too, so there's no need to go, you know, aggressive on a Friday.
We gotta wait for that. What it does. Daddy will do it.
You also constantly close without price. Yeah, because that way I can keep my downside very, very low, because you've seen it, I don't lose more often, and if I do, it's only like a maybe 6-7 pip loss. It's not like a full 10, 11, 12 pip loss. But when I win, I'm winning like maybe like 12, 15 pips. So that keeps the profitability high. Yuck, 5 minutes just raining. Oh, fuck me, look at that. Ugly.
Yeah, it looks like a wedge.
Let's see what the Chinese are doing here. Oh, Chinese are weak on GBP. I don't really know what the market intention. Yeah, right now I don't know what GJ's intention is. Looking at it from a 4-hour perspective, seems like it can go down, but I'm not willing to risk anything more. Friday.
I got it in GJ cells yesterday or last.
Coach, explain how you see GJ sells with the 4 hour, like you said.
Oh, it just feels like it's gonna flip bearish and go down. I mean,
Pretty simple, isn't it?
Yeah, the previous 4 hour.
What?
The previous 4 hour, what it did was it broke below these 4 hour candle supports. You know, so if this current one, that's the thing, if it stays below it, then there's a high chance it can go down. Because there's these ranges it needs to fill. But for it to continue down, we need bearish confirmations on the smaller time frames. Still stuck in this area here. This is a crucial area for GJ, this one. This is why I feel sorry for new beginners that hear something and go all in and trade because someone said so. All those blown accounts when Raja says GJ sells. Oh, shut the fuck up. This idiot. I feel sorry for you.
You're in YouTube?
Yeah. Forex.com and FXTM has different 4 closing times. You can just check the 4 hour chart. Looks completely different closing times. Makes more sense. Yeah, like some those are different liquidity fees, right? Some feeds start at 5 p.m. Eastern. Some start at 8 p.m. Eastern. So they have different 4 hour closing times, and of course they have different daily closing times as well. So that's different. Wow, EJ is shitty. Looks like it's tapping into this area here. So, like, you know, when you have these wicks, you're looking left to see why is it doing this. Has it done this type of thing before? That's what you do, right? So then you expand it left. You're like, okay, yeah, maybe this is it. Because this is the last time it rejected on the 1 hour. Maybe it's rejecting it here again. Vix don't lie. With all the uncertainty in the market, you think safe havens are buys. Yes, that's exactly why gold is pushing up, because of the uncertainty in the pound, and then, like, you know, we had bad data for the US yesterday. Euro USD sell ? Next G. I think it's the Friday, so we can maybe.
What happened yesterday?
It was gold rallied yesterday.
Yeah, but because of what? What happened?
There was bad US data and Brexit uncertainties. Yeah. Look at that 15-minute on gold. Looking like a hot shortcake to go up.
Yeah, whoever took gold buys yesterday got blessed.
Gold buys, GJ sells.
Gold buys.
Easy.
Easy, right? Gold buys, GJ sells for margin.
Yeah.
There you go. There we go, Simon.
I'm just not completely sold on GJ buys, GJ sells yet.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Alexes in this.
See, I'm looking at this area right here. This support. I'm looking at this.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's what I'm looking at. If it comes
Yep,
below there,
that's a support.
yeah,
It did a fake out earlier, right?
yeah. Well, if it goes, perfect. People then sells, they win. Are you using any scripts? No, nothing. I don't use anything. I don't even have my MT4 open here today. This is all what I use, just candles. If it drops, it has a nice 10, 15, 20 pip drop. Here we go. Drop is looking nice.
Morning, Kevon. Wait, is Kevon on?
Kevon, no.
Oh, I thought he was on. Someone watching cartoons, eh?
Who's watching cartoons?
Yep,
Little
yep.
Forex,
Oh,
little
there we
Forex
go.
trader.
It's moving now. I stayed in my cells. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I got some re-entries too. Come on, GJ.
Nice push to end the hour.
Yeah.
Are you in it still, Coach?
Yeah, I re-entered.
Oh, nice, nice.
Awesome.
Wasn't gonna let this go.
9 pips.
Well done, Rakeel.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, once it broke the low, once it broke this 30-minute low, I was like, yeah, this is gonna continue falling.
Raquel, why did you close your first position?
Because it spiked up hard, you know?
Did it though?
Yeah, it spiked up hard on the 15-minute.
Nah.
So I was like, I'm gonna probably wait.
But it didn't break the resistance though.
No.
Coach, GCAT filled that wick we were talking about.
Yes. It's gonna drop further.
Now it needs to break this support that it's at. This is like the 1 hour support here.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
On GCAT, it's on a daily level, so hopefully it'll break it 2 points.
That's exactly where I closed. My entries are 139.399 to 139.355. Met Jeevan yesterday after 3 months.
For what?
Oh, just
Did he ever get the goodie?
no.
Yeah, I have to send him new goodies. Anyway, so you guys met up finally, eh?
Yeah, we met up. I walked in there and then ordered Jaeger shots, like Jaeger bombs. We
Oh,
got
I love it.
I love Jaeger bombs.
yeah, we had Jaeger
Coach,
bombs.
I gave him Jaeger when Mac in Cleveland or in Miami.
Oh, nice.
Oh, for real?
Coach, you drank Jaeger with me at the Cleveland there.
Yeah. So it's basically Red Bull, and you drop a shot of Jägermeister.
Nah. I do straight up shots of Jaeger. I don't do Red Bull. That's too much sugar.
Then that's not a Jaeger bomb.
Oh, Jaeger on its own is horrible.
No, don't say that, silly.
It's Red Bull, and you drop a shot of Jaeger in it, and it tastes like gas. But
Yeah, it tastes like crap, but it keeps you up with that Red Bull. Fuck that.
yeah, it keeps you up. It's like straight. We can't say it on the chat, but I mean, it's true.
Damn.
What is that?
Yo, GJ dropped hard. Nice.
Yeah, if gold also pumped up here.
Oh my god! If you would have held that cell, whatever.
Gold pumped up. Now, you know, if you're in entries on GJ, like above 139.450, I think stops at break even would make sense.
Yeah, straight Friday vibes, like Alex said. Straight
Stops
fake outs.
at break even would
But
make sense.
I think if gold's going up, it should go up, and I don't know if you saw my chart, it should fill that like range up to like 1508.
1508.
Yo, Alex, where are you?
Oh. You know what? This is a huge range here in the daily.
Yeah.
It's just coming into it right now. But it would make sense. Like, you know, that would make the 4-hour flip as well. So, yes, that would make sense.
Yeah, I mean, let me send this to you.
Plus, you know what I've seen? I've seen that on Fridays, sometimes, market is going to continue the momentum from the previous day.
Well,
So
this-
you're saying if like GJ was bullish yesterday, it'll be bullish today?
Yeah, like, I mean,
Okay.
yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
where are you, silly? In a parking lot?
okay,
No, I'm doing fasted cardio.
If support
You
period
want
hold
it?
for bullish. Yeah, this makes sense. Oh, on the 4-hour you looked at it. Okay. Looking left.
To my gym, I'm walking to my gym, man.
Look at me, look at me. Like the beard?
Yeah, it makes sense, Simon.
yeah, look at the clear candle, Rakeel, to the left.
Yeah, all this. Here. So once this flips bullish, it's good. It's good to
Yeah,
go.
you see this like wick here? It's kind of using this. If you draw a line across that, that's kind of, it's holding that as support.
Okay, yeah.
That's just my idea anyway. That's what I've entered longs anticipating.
See, I was kind of looking at this support here at 1504 on the 1 hour.
Yeah, so stops under there, you should be good.
Yes, perfect. Oh, what's this, Hanan? Oh, what'd you grab?
So yeah, it's basically Santa riding an Audi R8. Like a little red house, green house, and another green house, and 2 reindeers. Hoo.
Alright, what's this?
Bro, you're the devil if you wear Christmas during Halloween time.
It's from 2018, but you know it's Santa riding an R8. So
Oh, GJ's drop in. Continuing.
Oh yeah, the charts that Simon said, they're really good. Overall, GJ looks really bearish. So you were right, mate.
Man, because GVP's been so ugly, I haven't been keeping runners, and now I'd be like, damn, I wish I would have run.
Right, like right now, Rakeel took that trade, and I knew it was gonna drop, but it just did a little spike up. But it didn't. If you see it, it didn't go over the previous 30-minute, which is here. It did scare me though.
Don't be scared.
No, I got out because I was already negative 3 pips.
Nice. Someone's in gold buys over here.
Shit, if you get out at negative 3 pips, you don't want to see my drawdown sometime.
No, no, but the spread was like probably like a 1.1 pips.
The most I'm willing to lose is 1 trade. Is, well, let's just say sometimes I'm in drawdown, but it always comes back. I like the music. It's very
Yeah,
elevated.
it's very elevate.
It's okay, Mac. It's okay, Mac. It's okay.
Elevator-ish. Elevator-ish. Did I say it right?
Chill, cat in the hat.
Sell after breaking the lower.
Hat in the hat.
Nice. Sell stop. Looks good. think your sell stops are gonna get activated here.
I'm gonna go all in full margin GJ sales.
Yeah, if it breaks this support, it should drop quick.
Yep.
Because it'll trigger stops, and yeah, it should just.
It's
Oh,
only,
there you go.
it's
4
only
hours
7,
also
right?
bearish now.
And then Friday we done.
Yeah, right. 20 pips, easy. 139, 140. Bang.
Where's
That's
Dimitri? He's missing this move.
Constantino.
Dimitri is probably in buys, bear buys.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Dimitri goes the opposite for 3 pips.
Gold, once it goes, gold just needs to hold the support at 1504.
Gold looks super messy right now on the M5 or even M15. I wouldn't touch it.
Oh, there we go. Just pushing in. That 5 minute was a booby trap candle.
Yeah. 5 minute boogie.
Come down to 139, 250.
My TP is at 139, 140. 20 pips. Come on, let's get it. Elevator-ish. I said it right, you see? Elevator-ish. This was the candle to jump in. You see? No stress, just boom, no drawdown. Good call, mate. Whoever called that. Wow, somebody just closed by accident. You clicked on X?
Look how it's doing the arch on the 15 minute. This is going to drop.
Yeah, that looks like a very good bearish candle breaking on 139, 300.
This was the perfect trade.
This was the perfect trade of the day.
Perfect
But
trade.
if you would have held those sales, it would have been perfect still.
Yeah, if I would have held, I closed at a.
At a panic attack.
No, I closed like after 6 pips.
Yeah. But whatever, you got it back right now. Easy. If everyone in YouTube took that DJ trade and got profits, go ahead and click up the like button. Thumbs up.
Yeah. Oh, this 4 hours is going to be deadly. Here we go.
Drop
Okay,
it.
give it up.
Oh,
Nice
shit.
There we go.
Oh,
There you go, boys and girls.
Boys and
there's
girls.
a trade off the day.
Congrats.
Oh, God.
Okay,
damn.
everyone, let's get 20 pips. 20 pips. Click thumbs up.
Click, click.
Likes. Everybody go ahead and click like. Likey. 20 pips. 20 pips.
25 pips.
Nice. Closed.
Nice.
26, 27. It's closed. Done.
Oh, that's
Gold
a
is
lot of
pushing
likes
up.
we got. Closed. Hit target and close, guys.
Beautiful.
Good job, team.
So good.
Now, this is where you collect your money and then you close your charts and call it a day.
Good job, team. Good job.
And it's always nice to end the week like that.
Nice. Now we go buy beers. Even though it's 6 in the morning in New York, but
So, yeah.
Just need gold to rock it now. It's going. I'm up. 8
Yeah.
pips. 8 pips on gold.
oh, you on gold right now? Oh, you were on gold before, right?
I was on gold and GJ.
I don't know. I see that support at 1506 or 1507 flat. I mean the resistance, and I don't know. I think it's just gonna stumble through it.
Man, the 30 minute and the 15 minute look like it's just going to take off.
Right. That this current 15 minute has a lot of rejection to the bottom. So yeah, you might be right.
Look at the 5 minute candle. Just did a quick retest down at 1505.
You're right. Yeah, you're right. Looks like it's gonna take off. You said 1508, right?
That's my ideal target, yeah.
That's what 25 pips.
I have buy stops on gold at 15.0680.
That's already been passed.
About the top of that wick.
Yeah.
Oh, 1508, he said. 1506, what? 80?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
When you are trading penny lots, the day isn't over yet. Yes, but with that mindset, it's gonna get really hard. Trust me. That's a bad mindset to have. That I have a small account and I took 1-2 trades. I made $2. Now I want to take more trades. What are you gonna do? You're not gonna make $1,000 when making $2 by every trade in a trade. Trust me on that. It's a process. You know, like you got this. If you caught this one move on any sizable account, this is a move that people dream to catch. You know, like you know how many people were in buys on GJ? How many lost this trade?
Bear buys.
You know, like if you won this trade, you put yourself in the top 10% who took a winning trade. You know, so once you are in the top 10% who took the winning trade, then you're like, okay, you know what? I have caught a very good trade. I'm gonna spend the next. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just like by looking at this trade to see how beautifully it played out. Because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna post about this trade the rest of the day. Like Simon came on and Mac was here and Alex was here and we all saw it's gonna go down and we took sells.
Yeah.
You know, so those are things you need to really now. Because like if you took this trade and now you're thinking, oh, I should look for buys or now I should look for a retest to take another sell. That's stupidity.
That's chasing a trade.
Yeah,
Greed.
that's greed. That's like
That's a lot of greed.
you
It's
shouldn't be doing that.
Cheers, Chris.
You doing alright?
Doing okay. So everyone who took that GJ sells, go ahead and click the like button, please. We get some likes. Get that to 200. We can, oh no, likes that's 500.
Man, Simon has been on fire this week.
Yeah, I know. Simon's been killing it.
I've
That's
come on.
cool.
Simon says sell, we sell.
Yeah,
Simon
straight up.
says
Like
buys.
straight up. If Simon says go jump off a bridge, I will go ahead and jump off the
Yeah.
brook.
You know what though? The last 2 days have been clear. Monday, Tuesday, shit. Like
Yeah.
messy. Like not.
Yeah,
clean.
Monday was very messy.
Yesterday was clean. Like
Yesterday was clean. The day before yesterday was clean. Tuesday was a little fixable, but you know,
damn, look at that. Exit.
come on.
So good on GJ.
Yeah,
Yeah, right on the spot. As soon as they hit target, I was out.
that was a 12, 13 pip
Buys
retracement.
yesterday. Actually.
And Chris was on buys.
Yeah, no, I'm good though. I took buys yesterday at the same place.
Oh, okay.
I took about 50 something pips. From the
Oh, wow, we got 100 likes. Come on, let's get that to 150.
I understand that, but if I stop trading only making $2 a day, it would take years to be able to trade big lots. Yeah, but that then means you can't afford to trade.
That's what you call progression.
Right, it's called progression.
Yeah, it basically means you can't afford to trade. Like if you can't afford to, you know, trade $1,000 account or $2,000 account, then
Get a job.
honestly, it's not gonna work. Like no matter how nice people are to everybody, and they say, "Oh yeah, you can grind a $100 account," it never happened. Like I've never seen it happen. I've never seen somebody take a 100.
Yeah.
It's just so hard.
Wow, that's random. Got a baby? You have another baby, Rakeel.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna activate my bias.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna another call from Simon. Another one.
Yeah,
Oh, you gotta put that on your top left corner, GJ buys. I mean GJ sells. Oh, 20 pips, whatever.
The chat she sent this morning, so I'm never spot on, mate. I thought in the chat, they're good. The gold one, especially.
Somebody clicks thumbs down. Okay, you're not sure. ban hammer. If I find out who it is, you're gonna get banned for life. Oh, it was me by accident. No, just kidding. One game,
Save to the.
Yeah, today's trades are making sense because you're actually seeing the other spectrum of it. Quick ins and outs. Bring dislike button up. Somebody has to be a hero and dislike shit.
Yeah, I ain't playing today, man.
Yeah, fucking dickheads. Oh, now they took it off. Okay. I regret that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's giving me the chills.
I think GJ needs to break 131-100 support to go more down, or break above 140 to go up. Yes, but this, if you caught this move, I think it should be enough.
Stop.
Stop trading for the day.
This area here, 139-100, is a very, very strong area.
Yeah.
This is where GJ rallied from 3 days ago.
Yeah. That's the exact reason I took a buy there yesterday, to be fair. That was only a small one. But when I seen it start to come back up.
This was my original chart from, I think it was, give me 1 second, I'll post it up on the chat, look at it, please. My analysis of GJ. You can open it right here if you want.
No, I'm looking.
That's from back then.
Man, all the words are spelt right and everything, man.
Yeah, all targets were it.
That's good, man.
And if you can see that level of, what is it, 130...
That makes sense, dude. That's good.
137,700, we could retest it.
Yep.
Easy.
That's cool.
I remember I had entries at 130 flat.
Stop, man. Stop.
No, I swear, I held them for like half a week.
Oh, so annoying.
Yeah, I showed it to you, right?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
That was funny.
Because I think I caught the second half of that move, the big, because it come back, didn't it?
All right, they came back down again to a 130 flat again, and
Yeah, I think I had 100 pips or something off that next.
yeah, that was when it really rallied up.
Yeah, and that's what you'd already closed out, hadn't you?
Yeah, I had already closed. I was like, oh shit, it's going back to 1 to 130. I'm like, nah, fuck that. So since then, I like stopped kind of like trading GJ. I'm like, let me just wait for it to settle. All this Brexit shit going on.
Yeah, it's been a bit up and down.
Yeah, a lot. Gold, on the other hand, is just a big range if you look on the daily. The big bucks. Right now, it's taking off. These candles on the daily on 15, 16 can easily be retested.
Yeah, it's pushing up now. Nice.
You see what I'm saying now, rakeel, on 15, 16 or 15, 17? If you look at the daily on gold, look at the daily. Like, this is what I see on gold. Wait, shit.
I've been trying to see what the candles are trying to tell me, but I only get as far as break of support resistance, but more was there. Well, Matthew Hollingsworth, what you need to do is you need to post your charts. You need to post charts. Without posting charts, there's no conversation. You know, like people can talk my ear off. Oh, this was this, this was that. But if I don't see a chart, there's no conversation.
Mac, did you close out your first trade, or was that
What, the chat?
no on your first trade on the GJ?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I closed manually.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
4 pips. 4 pips.
yeah, I see.
That was the entry that the rakeel originally took.
I wasn't on then. I didn't know you'd already took it. You see.
No, I took it manually, and
Ooh.
then I went on for 13 pips.
Look at gold, baby.
Look at it, baby. Good fucking calls, I mean.
1506.
Rubbing your hands together today, bud.
Yeah, bud. Like a fucking genie. Yeah.
Once
Like,
it
has to break this.
clears this area, it's good to go.
Yeah.
GG was easy in a way because I woke up, I saw, within 10 seconds I was like, yeah, this is a sell.
Yeah. I asked you what made you take that trade, and it made sense. Because it's creating lower lows.
Yeah. Hey, if people are new here in the chat in YouTube, here's the link. Watch this video before you say anything. This will help you, and will make sure you have a seamlessly nice experience. What's this? Someone posted a chart. GPCHF 45-minute chart sells below the support. Makes sense.
It's nice. Resistance.
I'm still thinking permanent formations on gold weekly. No, pennant formations. Gold continuing upwards over the next several sessions. Yeah, I think everyone sees gold going bullish. Gold is so much uncertainty now with Brexit too. Plus, it's this whole area is nice where gold is entering.
This is what I have on gold. Like, it's not that big of a deal, but you know, it's very simple. Look at it if you want in the chat.
Yeah, exactly.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah,
That zone, that zone of rejection. It's very big, and it could potentially bounce back there and go back to retest 1494 or 1495, let's say, where that was the previous resistance that we broke. 1491, 1492, and continue up. What do you guys think? Think it makes sense or no?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, 1516, 1515, bounce back to 1492, continue up.
I seem to always get screwed on my stop losses and get wicked when it go in my original direction. I try to do stops below M15 or M30, but this week I took 4 to 5 trades and they hit stop loss. Well, Mike Smith, you need to get yourself somebody who can look at your charts and maybe help you.
I'll be right back.
Alright. Because if you don't have someone telling you about your charts, what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, then you know it's not going to be hard, but it's going to take a longer time. You know, so if you have a support system that kind of like accelerates your learning.
Yep. It's all about having a little bit of backup somewhere else to give you a good idea as well.
Yeah, it's 100% true.
Helpful.
Yeah, like at times I have really good guys who join me or join Simon or whatever, but at the end of the day, like the only reason of joining is like they say, okay, like, you know, we needed a community, just like we have this YouTube community now. So today what we can do is, if someone's in a big drawdown, we can probably help them. say your positions and pair, and we might be able to help you get out of the drawdown. Oh, GP Cat is still falling.
Nice buy, Raja. I mean, sells.
That's all thanks to Simon.
Took them off the what, 30 or 1 hour?
30, mainly 30. First I had them earlier, and then once the 30-minute candle broke the low of the previous one, then I was like, okay, yeah, this is heading down. I had like 0 drawdown with the second one.
Let's return it down, so you're safe.
Ooh, GG is still going here. Oh man, if we break below 139, 100, it's dropping back to 138. 139 even. Oh shit, there we go. It's dropping more.
Oh, did you see GJ did a real nice retest on the 15-minute?
Yep. If it continues through 139, 100, it's gonna fill the daily wick from yesterday. 100%.
Yeah, I've got a bit of a zone in here around 139.15. Once it clears this, should just down to 138.80 ish.
Ooh, what's this? Gold, 4 hour. Trade IDF buy stop to fill the clean candle to the left. Retest of support. Yep. Makes sense. I'd be cautious about this area here.
Yeah, like what's the risk to reward on that trade?
Yeah, I'll be careful with that SL.
I'd be careful with this area over here. I would say that the entry is going to be late with the buys, but you know, if you can bring stops to break even earlier on, that would be pretty good. Seems like we're breaking up now.
Go gold.
Push, go on gold. What's this? Oh, same chart. Man, I opened a buy stop on gold. It was a 15 lot, and then once it got activated, went to oh.
There it goes.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, did you close it, Rakeel?
Yeah.
Ah, you
I closed it because it went in a $500 drawdown. I'm like, oh fuck. And then it came up to break even. I'm like, nah, fuck it. I closed. Oh, like, no, man, it's too much.
Yeah. Drawdown's a bitch on those guys.
Yeah, man, like.
Dropping a 15 on a Friday.
Yeah, like if it was like two lot, I'd be like okay with it. I'm like, yeah, whatever. But that thing goes down, man.
Oh man, you know about it quick.
A new hole appears in your asshole. You know.
That's a career ender.
You trade so impulsive. Wow. Hey, Gizzle. No, it's not about trading impulsive. I mean, we've been doing these live streams for a full year at this same time. You know, so when you look at something for a full year every day, you start to, like, you know, you start to, what's that thing? You start to develop an intuition of what's going to happen, how it's going to act, what time is it going to move. And once you start to have those intuitions, then you can trade impulsively at that time.
Yep.
It's just having that.
And to be fair, we've been doing it a lot longer than a year.
Yeah, a lot longer than a year.
Yeah, that's it.
Like, we were doing private webinars since, I think it was like April 2018, and just went live publicly on like August 2018.
Yeah, I remember back in March 2018 for sure.
The thing is, the amount of time, trading, like the amount of people's experience in it is unreal. If you added it all together,
Yeah.
we've seen a lot between us.
Even if I had my buy stop that went in like 8 pip profit. How did you know gold would continue through that resistance? Well, it was, the momentum was here and candles were all bullish, and when candles are all bullish, I mean, it just,
And when gold moves, it keeps moving.
don't. The only thing I can say to that is, don't try to sell when things are at resistance and they're bullish. I'm still struggling with scalping. I'm good at intraday and swing, but really struggling. My scalping was time hit my TP. What is this? Change market structure, clear, bearish. Yeah, that's good. See, if you're good at intraday, then that means you're okay. You're doing good. I mean, even if you look on GJ based on just the 4-hour perspective, it just made sense. Like, this candle created a low, came up to create a resistance, and now it's trying to head down to retest that low. And gold is continuing. Ooh, that buy stop giving up like 10 pips. A little bit of draw, like 6 pip drawdown. Thank you so much. My trading has improved based on this live stream. Just need to work on my execution. Oh, perfect. That's what. Yeah. That's what I like to hear. This is all good karma.
Yep.
Love it.
That
Scalping.
makes you good.
Yeah.
Wow, what a nice push, almost hitting TP.
Yeah, it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit 1508.50 up there.
1508.50, I have TP at 1508.90.
How do we get access to the charts sent by other members? You don't. Those are for Forex family and market fluidity members, but you can see the charts that people are posting. Double top, retested, first target.
Oh, gold's about to hit TP.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Just a little push, just a little tiny push.
You alerted me right there.
Right. I'm 17, 18 pips up. Oof, come on.
That's some nice moves for a Friday.
Yeah, beautiful moves.
I want to see
I'm done.
Monday.
Another 28 pips on gold. Done.
Good work, bro.
Good work.
mostly I've seen like Fridays do continue pushing.
Yeah. Or like stops and then continues on Monday. But in this case, looks like it's gonna continue.
I'm not watching you guys.
You know, I closed 16 pips, whatever. I'm not very greedy.
Nice.
Yeah, that's the right thing to do though. You don't want to be messing around. Like it could fly all the way up, but
Right. I was expecting it to hit 1509 flat, but I closed at 1508.
1508.50.
There it goes.
Oh shit.
1509, come on, 1509, 1509. Oh,
Nice.
wow, 1509.
What
Almost.
a
There you
move
go.
on gold.
What a nice move, guys. Good freaking call.
Nice. This was, look at the 30-minute candles, just pure higher highs and higher lows. Just clean, bullish, kept bullish, no, not even a 15-minute bearish candle. I think this was the last retest on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
Nice, someone made 5. Hey, you know, like if you like this stream, if you like the trades, give a like.
Come on, we got it to 141. Let's get it to 200. Give it a nice
EJ
thumbs
also
up.
fell down. We talked about EJ too this morning earlier.
EJ?
Yeah.
I wasn't there. 150, 150. Can we get another 50? 155.
Can someone please change my family's life and donate 50,000? Can someone change my family life and donate me 50 million?
Dude.
Oh wow! So you sold gold with no confirmation.
Yeah, on Friday.
That
On a
does
Friday?
not look good.
Oh man, who did that?
There was no selling confirmations on gold. Well, I guess lesson learned today. What's your view on CAD JPY? I don't trade CAD JPY. Please send a chart. Why GJ is going up, Raja? Can you explain? GJ is going up because, as we said earlier, 139, 100 is a strong support. That's why it's setting up from here. You also have to understand that the move on GJ was from this consolidation area between 139, 350 and 139, 400. From this. Anything after that was a late entry and you shouldn't have been taking that entry. So if you've missed it, gold's still going up here. God.
Did it hit 1509 already?
Yeah.
Haha, nice.
Yep. We're close to it.
Alright. After once gold has reached this clean candle here, after this I have no analysis on gold.
That's it, you're empty.
Yeah, my analysis ends there.
Empty. Need some gas.
Just like we've reached our destination, I don't know where else to go from here.
That's it, the bus stop, man.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
bus-
get a ticket.
Yeah. It's like the bus has reached the stop, now I don't know where the bus goes after that.
So that's best things to do is just sit on the bus, close your trades, and close your charts.
Go for a nap.
Yeah.
And go for a nap. Yeah, I will go for a nap right now.
You gotta go nap, dude.
I'm freaking tired. I had to do deliveries yesterday.
I didn't enter gold because on 30-minute the stop would have been big for me. Where did you put your stop loss? Well, even on the 30-minute, if you look at it while we were talking about it, this candle here, This stop was almost like 10 pips. Wow, still going here. Man, we called some really good 2 moves today.
Yeah.
God damn.
Good Friday.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave in like 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm going to have an early day. I'm going to call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, already banked.
Guys,
30 something pips.
do you close your trade if it's 1 to 2 pips below TP, or do you wait until it's TP? Well, I don't place a TP level. I have certain ideas in mind, you know, like if it reaches a certain area.
Wow, look at that. Just freaking went through it. Oh my god.
This thing is just rocketing.
Be careful though, because I bet enough people just be buying now.
Yeah, it's about to be 8, so. Purple. Oh, what a nice call. What a nice day, guys. Good work, team. Everyone who took GJ sales and gold buys and you profited or whatever you like to trade, please give us a thumbs up so we could be as popular as the popular people on YouTube.
Share the love.
Yeah, 15, 14, 15, 16. It's a good level if you want to swing it, and then retest back to 1492 again back to resistance. I mean support, and then continue up.
I've just watched 1510 as a killer area.
1510, yeah.
Yeah, I think.
I mean,
that momentum could quite easily push past, to be fair, but that was a zone from previous which I'd had marked up.
right. I had it marked up 1510,
Yeah.
1511, whatever. Then goes down. If it,
It could literally just switch around and come back 30 pips or something.
yeah. Yeah, it actually did that. So right now, it go for retest down to 14 previous resistance of 1494.
Mm-hmm.
And gold hit 1510.
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
Wow.
Sweet
Right,
fucking shit.
So, Simon, what are you up to?
Huh?
What are you up to for the rest of the day?
Me, not a lot. I'm just going to take my daughter to, she goes to like preschool this afternoon.
Oh, nice.
Oh, she's that young?
Yeah, so
How
I'm
old
going
is
to
she?
take her there, and then I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the afternoon.
Yeah, I've got the same job. I've got to go and pick her up too.
Not look at the charts, because we're done.
Yup.
Yeah. Are we gonna close the stream at 8?
Enjoy the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you out already?
Yeah, I'm going to go.
Alright, bye Simon.
All right,
Yeah.
take care, everyone.
Take
Rakeel,
care.
look forward to the highlight reel later.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tag me in it too.
All right, everyone. Have
I'm
a good
gonna be
weekend.
I'm gonna be doing a giveaway today, so whoever is in New York and wants to sign up for meal preps.
Oh, is that today? You're going to do it
Yeah,
today?
I'm gonna do it today. I'm actually doing it right now. It's a little early, so I want to get as much reach as possible. Probably wait until I'm gonna do a draft and wait until 8 to post it or 9. Yeah, I work hard getting the picks.
Hope everyone's having a great morning. This is Mac over here.
Yes, sir.
We had a good day today. Gold buys and GJ stuff.
Yes, sir. Look at my cat. My cat's right there. Oh, well, he's just fighting the bed. Come. Let's. Cats don't really respond to whistling, and I'm always whistling. I noticed that. Where's my phone?
There's that little pullback.
Yeah, as good that I closed at 15.08.90.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I closed at 15.08 flat. Whatever. I got 17 pips, so I'm good.
That's
Yeah, still good. Whatever, plenty. I was negative 4 pips in the first DJ sale. Then again, I got 13 pips on the sale that I re-entered, and 17 pips on gold buy. So done for the day.
That's a hell of a day, mate. That's a good start. Oh, that's it.
30 pips. So I'm good.
What's that screen? Oh, I just got your message, mate.
Yeah, no, I was on
I was really confused.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, the script, the one that Simon has, it counts the pips and
Oh, yeah.
it's like a very simple script.
See, whoever sent this chart,
Which one?
now you can see that I can't see.
You can't see anything.
Yeah, exactly.
I only thing that I'm reading right there is setting for retest.
If
Oh,
that
what
candle-
happened to you? You look shook.
If that candle closed above resistance, what will happen? If this candle closed above resistance, this means you have missed the move up.
Yeah, you need to wait.
So
You
now
need to wait.
you need to wait for it to come down, create a support, and then continue up because it created a high. But this also tells me you're a new trader, so you need some more education.
Right. So most likely, like we said, if you can you post this chart again on the screen, so I'm gonna explain it a little bit.
You want to be careful as well, because end of the week.
All right. So if you can see here, like I said, price creating higher highs and higher lows to continue up. It reached that resistance at 1510, which is let's say here. Next thing we're gonna expect is a retest down to this previous resistance at 1490. I think it's 1491. So it continue to go up.
Bro, here's my chart, man. They're the same charts.
Yeah.
Watch the end of the week pullback as well. That's the only thing.
If
Right,
if gold break daily resistance, what will happen?
If gold breaks this box right here, next target I can see is here, which is 1536, right? And that's it's a very steep target. So now we're gonna expect a pushback back down to this other zone here, which was the previous resistance. So we can see something like this down to here, and then to continue up.
I'd watch that area there to the left myself.
Right.
Just as a potential change area.
Right, that box here where it's pointed to. But I'll be more cautious on this area here.
Oh, for sure, yeah. I mean, that would be a good target.
Yeah, that's a very good target. Very, very good.
Yep.
Alright, so we got a question here. Let's take a look here. Can we... GU, is there a potential buy currently on GU? There is no buys on GU. GU is going down. There's no buys on GU. It's bearish. Don't look for buys because things are... Yeah. You need a support form for buys. There's no buys. Joma Ashur. Another chart. Selling for the retest just like in the end of June 14th. Oh wow, this is the daily. Oh, so you're gonna buy over here. Perfect. So I guess you're gonna wait a couple days. Maybe a couple weeks. I'm holding gold buy from 1505. Okay. Can someone
We just explained that.
Can someone tell me where is the target?
I would take the money.
Yeah.
Personally, if it's me, I'll take it. End of the week.
Just
Right.
Get it bank.
Just bank right now, man.
Yeah,
just
you
close it.
just have no plan.
Right, there's no plan, just close it.
If
If you're holding, you got a good buy from 1505, just close it. Or you gotta,
You've got to have a target in mind because
Right.
it will pull back exactly like we said from 1510. It's just turn around, it's come right back 30 pips probably, and that's going to end everyone. It's just wasting all
Right.
from.
so if you got buys right now from 1505, just, I suggest you to close.
Just take your money.
Take your money, walk away.
Yeah.
Don't hold during the week, you never know what's gonna happen. And it's pretty much pointless. I mean, that's like a lot of pips you got right there.
Yep.
Pips,
Hey, who's here? Samson. Samson's here? No.
Anyway, I'm going to make a move, guys. I'm going to get off and go do my stuff. So,
Bye,
Right,
coach.
man. I look forward to them highlights later on, man.
Alright,
Thank
take
you,
care.
Take
Yeah,
it easy.
you-
Have fun.
You're gonna get highlighted today. And oh no, you're a little late. So you're gonna get highlighted just on the gold video. But get some black eyes for me. No, you wanna see my shirt? My sweatshirt? Look at this, baby. It's Santa riding an R8 with two reindeers and one red house here, green house, and another green house, and the Audi.
Is it a good time to enter the GJ trade looking at the candle I'm seeing on the 30-minute chart? Good time to enter GJ. Well, GJ is at support. You have missed the sells. Missed the sells. When you see big moves, tell yourself that you have missed those big moves.
That's it. I call it. That's it. Don't chase the trade back. You're not gonna get it.
So I'm gonna call it a day here in like 2-3 minutes. Because I'm done for the week.
So whoever's in the New York area, I'll be doing a giveaway for a whole week of free meals. Just follow mealprepculture.net or it's on Instagram, mealprepculture, and we'll be posted up today the rules.
How many should a beginner aim for per week? It depends on your plan. Basically, what's going to happen is that, okay, so this is how I function in my groups. Whenever someone new joins, I tell them 4 things. Number 1 thing is that you should know the time of the day you should be trading. Because the thing is, when you are trading, when you take trading seriously, you have specific times of the day you're going to trade. Because if you look at all, like if you look at the good traders out in the world, they have specific times. They're either going to trade the Asian session, either they're going to trade the New York and London overlap, which is what we trade here. Some will only trade the London Open and so on and so forth. So once you have that time allocated, then you know that, okay, this is the only time you're going to be looking at the charts. That's the number 1 thing. Number 2nd thing is, you know what instrument you're going to trade, right? Which means which pair you're going to trade. Either it's going to be gold, oil, some other metals, some currencies, or whatever it is. You'll have that 1 or 2 instruments that you're going to focus on. So when you focus on those 2 or 3 pairs at the same time every day, you start to identify certain moves they have at those times. That's the 2nd thing. The 3rd thing is, then you start to look at that, okay, what easy moves have I seen pairs do, right? So when you look at GJ, when you're looking at GJ, you know that GJ has strong moves, right? That's the first thing you notice. So when GJ has strong moves, you start to think to yourself that, okay, what are the ways that I can catch these strong moves, right? You start to look at it from that perspective. You don't start to look at it, okay, the move has ended, now how can I take the opposite move? Right. That's not how it works. So once you start focusing on how can I get in on these big moves, like let's say if people missed this big move, so you start to look on the 4 hour, you're like, okay, well, the 4 hour was bearish, there was range here, so maybe I could have gone to the smaller time frames and seen some hints that could have told me to enter the move. So now then you start to look for the same thing the next day and the day after that. That's the 3rd thing. The fourth thing is you understand that, okay, how are you going to manage your risk? That's the most important thing, right? Because if you're coming to the market with $1,000, you should know that, okay, I have $1,000. How much of this $1,000 am I risking today? You know, like some people will say, hey, I'm only going to risk, let's say, $40, or I'm only going to risk $20. You know, and once you cross that threshold of $20 or $40, then you should be done for the day. You're like, okay, you know what? This was my risk. I've reached my risk. Now I'm going to call it a day. Or in the other way, you can say, okay, I'm going to risk $20 to make, let's say, $20 or $40. So in the same aspect, if you reach your target, you're like, okay, now I'm going to call it a day. Because over time, it's going to build on. But there's only two things that you will do in your trading that's really going to fuck things up. It's going to be over trading, or it's going to be over risking. That's it. These are the only two ways you fuck yourself.
Can I add something as a beginner, because I've been trading for 5 months, so people can get like some perspective from me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so when I started trading, I was basically swinging. So I didn't know the time lapse or session lapses. For example, we were trading London, well, we're basically in London and New York Open. So these times, these are very volatile, meaning that there's a lot of movement during these areas. So when it comes to swinging trade, and most of the news come out, especially for New York, at 10 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. This is something you have to always have in mind, because you never know, unless you know a lot about fundamentals, if price is going to go up or down. So you're just going to go based off price action when you're scalping, or getting 20 pips, 30 pips at the time. Always take in consideration like your area, your time zones, so what's the best time for you to trade. If you're not that tired, because you need to have a clear head, basically, and you need to know what works best for you. It's not, if London, whatever price you trade, it's gonna be best for you to trade on London, then you have to do the effort to wake up at 3 a.m. and do London Open. Other than that, for the pairs that I trade personally, which is just GJ and gold, I only trade pre-New York, London close, which is 11 a.m., and sometimes Asian Open, which is 8 p.m. up to China Open, which is 9 p.m. That's only for gold and GJ. So always consider those sessions, depending on whatever pairs you trade. You could always do the same thing. You could always scalp, but it depends on the sessions you trade. And depends, of course, on your schedule. So keep that in mind.
Okay, everybody, I'm going to call it a day. Have a good Friday. Don't overtrade. Don't ruin your returns. If you had good trades from today, like GJ selling gold's buys, keep them safe. We shall see you Monday.
See you Monday, Roger.